In this video, I'll show you how you can get your HubSpot API key. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. So first thing, once you are on HubSpot page, click on this settings icon, this one, click on it, and from here click on integrations, then choose legacy apps. And from here, if you have already one app, so you can click on it, for example this one, and click on this auth on this one, and this is your API key, this access token. So click on show token and you can copy it, and that's it. If you want to rotate, so this will create a new token and let you keep the old one for up to 7 days, so you can also rotate it. But now if you don't have this, if you don't have this app created, go back and click on create a legacy app. Then you can choose either for public or private. Next, you can type your name for your app. You can upload logo and add some description. Then you can choose scopes, and from here add a new scope. You can choose from these scopes. So for example, I'm going to choose this CRM export, check it, and then click update. Then you can also add some webhooks. So for example, it's just for example, you can add this URL here and then click create app. Then click on continue creating. This will create your app, and as you can see, this is your app, and click on add, click on auth, and from here you can see your API key, and that's it. That's how you can get your API key in HubSpot. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing.